All right, so as you can see, I already have my eyebrows done. Now, brows are beat bomb. Yes, get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna take two foundations. This is Maybelline Fit Me, and I think this is Milani. And we're just gonna put it on the back of my hand and kind of use that as my palette and squeeze both of them. Yes. Take my beauty blender and I'm going to slather it all over my face, making sure not to ruin my brows. See how it blends so perfectly? Next, we're going to take my concealer by Revlon, I believe, and we're going to place this under the eyes. And then the bridge of my nose on your upper lip. And we're just going to take our beauty blender and we are just going to press into the face and then the eyes. I believe we're putting this on the eyes too. Oh, now we're gonna take our now we're gonna take our setting powder and we're just gonna go over the areas that we put the concealer. This is to set it. Yeah. Next we are going to what is this called? Okay, well, just gonna take a darker color and contour. We're gonna contour, guys. Our cheekbones, our forehead, our other cheekbone. Yes, and the sides of our nose. We're just gonna chisel this nose. Yes, yes. Next is the eyes. Come here, come here. Next we're gonna take our Jekyll and Hill palette and we're gonna get this taupey brownie color. And we're gonna put it below our brow bone to, I believe this is the transition color. But wait, hang on. We're gonna take this and put it up there as well. And make it highlighty and not so matte, maybe. Now take this brown color. Put it on the corner of the outer corner of your eye. And swivel that brush around. Just like drag it into the middle. From the outside, swivel it in. Take this black color and notice how I'm holding my brush for funsies. And then we're also going to blend this darker color to like the third of our eyelid inward. And we're going to take this not with our brush but with our finger and apply it from the inner corner to where the black had ended. And we're not going to blend them completely, but they're just going to touch each other. Get married. We're bringing them together so softly. Now we're bringing in another color. And we're also using our other finger. And we're laying this on top of the silverish color and the black color. To kind of bring everything all together. And we're just going to lightly blend. We're gonna go back with our black to bring that back to life. Next, we're gonna take this Fenty Beauty moment and not gonna put on my lip, gonna put on my inner corner of my eye. Just kind of brighten up this whole look. Get into that eye. Yes. Wings. Hang on. They're back. Also with this pencil. It's a lip liner pencil. We're just gonna go over our lip and like define that lip. Put it on the other side. We're gonna do the same with the bottom. Kind of zhuzh that around. Next, we're gonna take this beautiful purpley, yes, matte color and just put that gloss all over. We're still putting the gloss on. I love putting gloss on. Oh God, my hat. Just kidding. I need highlighter. We're just gonna put that on our cheekbones. So that way we are glowing. And here's the finished look, guys. Hope you like it. Here is all sides of it. Please, there's a roach right there. Kill it. Just kidding. Subscribe. Peace.